Tech Fix Guides channel, solving your everyday problems one video at a time.
When was the last time your Android phone actually received a security update? And do you know where to check your Android security patch level right now without guessing or digging through random menus? Most people never check this, and that's exactly how phones stay vulnerable in the background while everything appears normal on the surface. Hackers don't wait for obvious signs, and outdated security patches quietly increase your risk. In this video, I'll show you how to check your Android security patch level in under 2 minutes, and then guide you through how to update safely using official Android steps that won't break your phone or your data. What this video will fix. By the end of this guide, you'll clearly understand where to find your Android security patch level on any phone brand, what the February 2026 patch actually means, and how to safely install updates without fear. Many users delay updates because they're worried about bugs, battery issues, or losing files, and that hesitation leaves devices exposed. This video removes that confusion and replaces it with a clear, simple process you can follow every month. Everything shown here uses official Android menus only, making it safe even if you're not tech-savvy. No advanced tools, no risky shortcuts, just practical steps that work. What Android security patch level means. Your Android security patch level is a date that tells you when Google's most recent security fixes were applied to your device. These fixes close vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malware, spyware, or malicious apps. This patch level is completely separate from your Android version number, which is why many people misunderstand it. A phone can run a newer Android version but still be missing critical security protections. The patch level date is the real indicator of how secure your phone currently is, and checking it regularly is one of the simplest ways to protect your data. Step 1. Find your Android security patch level. Safe. To check your Android security patch level, start by opening your phone's Settings app. From there, navigate to Security and Privacy, then tap on Updates and select Security Update. On this screen, you'll see a line labeled Android Security Patch Level followed by a date. This date shows when your phone last received official security fixes from Google and your manufacturer. Take a moment to note this date, because it will be important when comparing it to the latest available updates. This entire process takes less than 2 minutes once you know where to look. Step 2. Different menu paths for different phones. Android phones from different brands sometimes organize settings differently, which can make this step confusing at first. On Pixel devices, the security patch level is usually found under Settings, then Security and Privacy, then System and Updates. On Samsung phones, it may appear under Settings, then Security and Privacy, then Updates, or sometimes under Software Update depending on the model. Other Android brands often place it under Settings, then About Phone, followed by Software Information. Even though the menu names vary, the goal remains the same. Find the Android security patch level date and check how recent it is. Step 3. Understanding. February 2026. Patch levels. Safe. For February 2026, Android devices use 2 official security patch levels: February 1st, 2026 and February 5th, 2026. If your phone shows either of these dates, it means your device includes the February 2026 security fixes. The later date usually appears on Pixel devices and includes additional fixes beyond the base bulletin. If your patch level shows a date earlier than February 2026, your phone is missing some known security protections. In that case, it's important to check for updates as soon as possible rather than delaying. Step 4. Check Google Play System Update. Safe. In addition to the main Android security patch, Google also delivers security improvements through Google Play System updates. These updates work independently from your phone manufacturer and often arrive faster. To check this, go to Settings, open Security and Privacy, tap Updates, and select Google Play System Update. If an update is available, install it and restart your phone when prompted. Even if your main system update isn't available yet, keeping this updated helps reduce security risks and improves overall system reliability. Step 5. Update safely before installing. Safe. Before installing any Android update, it's important to prepare your device properly. Make sure your battery is charged to at least 50% or keep the phone plugged in during the update. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid interrupted downloads, and ensure you have several gigabytes of free storage space. Backing up important data like photos, documents, and chat history using Google services adds an extra layer of safety. These simple precautions greatly reduce the chance of update failures or unexpected data loss. Step 6. Install the Android update. Safe. Once your phone is ready, go back to Settings and Open System, then tap System Update or Software Update depending on your device. If an update is available, tap Download and allow it to complete fully before proceeding. After downloading, tap Install and let the phone restart on its own. During this process, avoid using the phone or turning it off. System updates can take several minutes, and interrupting them may cause issues, so patience here is important. Step 7. Verify after reboot. After the update finishes and your phone restarts, verification is an important final step. Open Settings again, go to Security and Privacy, then Updates and check the Security Update section. Confirm that the Android security patch level now shows February 2026 if the update was applied correctly. This quick check ensures that the update actually completed and didn't fail silently. Making this a habit after every update helps you stay confident about your device's security status. Step 8. If the update is stuck or fails. Advanced. Sometimes updates don't install on the first attempt, and that doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong. Start by restarting your phone and checking for updates again. If the problem continues, try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or freeing up additional storage space. In many cases, these simple steps resolve update issues without any advanced troubleshooting. Avoid force-stopping system services or using third-party tools, as those can cause more problems than they solve. Step 9. If you don't see February 2026 yet. Advanced. Not all Android manufacturers release updates at the same time, and rollout delays are very common across brands and regions. If your phone doesn't show the February 2026 patch yet, it does not automatically mean your device is outdated, broken, or abandoned. Many companies release updates in waves, starting with a small group of users before expanding to others over several weeks. It's also important to understand that carrier-locked phones often receive updates later than unlocked models. Mobile carriers sometimes add their own testing process, which can delay security patches even further. This delay is frustrating, but it's part of how Android updates are distributed globally. Patience here is safer than forcing unofficial solutions. While waiting, keeping your apps updated through the Google Play Store plays a bigger role than many people realize. App updates frequently include security improvements that protect you from newly discovered threats. Installing any available Google Play system updates is another important step. These updates come directly from Google and can deliver security improvements even when your manufacturer update hasn't arrived yet. Combined with keeping Google Play Protect enabled, this significantly reduces your risk during update delays. Finally, avoid installing apps from unknown sources, file-sharing sites, or third-party app stores while you wait. Even a fully updated phone can be compromised by unsafe apps. These small habits act as temporary protection until the official February 2026 update becomes available for your device. Step 10. What not to do. Safety. When security updates are delayed, many users search online for faster solutions, but this is where serious risks begin. It's important to avoid methods that promise instant updates, hidden patches, or secret fixes. These shortcuts often create more problems than they solve and can permanently damage your phone. Flashing custom ROMs is another risky approach that's often recommended online. While custom ROMs may appeal to advanced users, they are not designed for beginners and can cause boot loops, data loss, or device bricking if done incorrectly. For most users, this level of risk is unnecessary and avoidable. Never download so-called security patch APKs from websites or social media links. If the February 2026 patch is available for your phone, installing it promptly ensures you're protected against known vulnerabilities. If it's not available yet, keeping Google Play system updates installed and apps up to date still provides meaningful protection in the meantime. Security is about layers, not just one update. Android already provides everything most users need to stay secure without taking unnecessary risks. Official updates may feel slow, but they are always safer than forced solutions. If this guide helped you understand Android updates more clearly, Support the channel by liking the video and subscribing to Tech Fix Guides for more simple, step-by-step Android tutorials. Drop a comment with your phone brand and model and I'll help you locate the correct update path or explain what to expect next.